Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. And today I'll be taking environment MCQs, and prelims are, really nearing prelims are really near. And I hope you guys are studying really well and you make it to the list this time. Right, now let's get started. The first MCQ, the factors that contribute to the algal blooms in seawater. Right, so these are some of the possible, factors given, and you have to find which one are correct. So the runoff from the land during the monsoon season. Second, excess nitrogen phosphorus. Then stable wind conditions, and four, upwelling in the seas. And you have to find which of these set of options are correct. 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 means all of the above. Right, so now you know the drill. Let's get started. Let's see the answer now. Answer is D, all of the above, obviously. So algal blooms occur when a combination of suitable environment conditions exist, right? Like for abundant growth of the algae, increased nutrients like phosphorus, nitrogen. Here you can see, right? So stable wind conditions and upwelling also contributes to it. Now let's see the next one. So how many mangroves? How mangroves can protect from the natural disasters? Okay, I think it's a simple one. So A, mangroves are present in remote areas and are far away from human settlement. Then their extensive roots cause them not to get uprooted by storms and tides, and then they provide food and medicine to the people living nearby. Then D, the mangroves provide shelter because of its dense canopies. Right, so now let us see the answer. It is B actually. So the mangroves they have extensive roots, right? So they do not get uprooted, and in case of flood and such stormy conditions and tides, they do not get uprooted, right? So they work as a bulwark. Now the third MCQ, the three main steps involved in carbon sequestration, right? So I have taught this chapter already. I hope you guys know it, and it should be fresh in your memory also if you have watched that video and you have studied well. Okay, so the options are trapping and separating the carbon dioxide, then transporting this captured carbon dioxide, and then storing that carbon dioxide. Option B, transporting gases having carbon dioxide, then separating the carbon dioxide from other gases, and then storing that carbon dioxide. Third, means the C says transporting gases having carbon dioxide, then trapping and separating that carbon dioxide, and then storing that carbon dioxide. D, trapping the carbon dioxide, separating the carbon dioxide from other gases, and then storing the carbon dioxide. Okay, so let us see the answer now. Answer is A. So this carbon capture and storage, right? This is involved in the carbon sequestration. So it involves three steps: trapping and separating the carbon dioxide from other gases, first of all, then transporting this captured carbon dioxide to storage location, and then third involves storing that carbon dioxide far away from the atmosphere, underground or deep in the ocean. Okay, so that it doesn't cause pollution, global warming. Now the fourth MCQ, green rating for integrated habitat assessment, GRIHA, right, in short. So it is a rating tool that helps people assess the performance of their building to help design green buildings. So it is developed by which of the entities, right? Option given are Ministry of New and Renewable Energy and Government of India. Then B, IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and TERI. C, Canara Bank and Syndicate Bank along with UNEP. Then ICAR and TERI. Okay, so now let us see the answer. So GRIHA is a rating tool. It helps people assess the performance of their building against certain nationally accepted benchmarks, right? And it is suited for all kinds of buildings in different climatic zones of the country. So GRIHA has been conceived by TERI, right? And it is developed jointly with the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy of India, Government of India. Now the final MCQ number 5, in Indian Solar Loan Program, which is initiated by Canara Bank and Syndicate Bank, partnered with UNEP in 2003. It mainly targets which of the Indian states, right? Options are Telangana and Andhra, B. Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka and Kerala, and then D. Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Right? So now let us see the answer of the final MCQ. Answer is C. So it is Kerala and Karnataka state. So Indian Solar Program, it was initiated by Canara Bank and Syndicate Bank. You will be very surprised how can it be, but it is true. So along with their 8 associated associate regional banks, RRBs, um, they are partnered with UNEP to establish and run a loan program through their branch offices across Karnataka and the neighboring state, that is Kerala. And in April 2003, the United Nations Environment Program, this initiated a 3-year program credit facility in southern India to help rural household finance the purchase of solar home systems. Right? So with this we have completed today's MCQs. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this videos. Thank you.